Communication with prospects is a cornerstone of a real estate career. And what we're going to talk about now is a crucial part of getting that right. We're going to talk about a call register. Now, agents spend a lot of time on the telephone, and it's hard to keep track of the productivity of those calls. So what we've developed is a call register. We researched approximately how many calls it takes to make a successful agent. We asked some of the most experienced guys in the game, and what they came back to us with was the number of 100 calls per week. Now, while that sounds a lot of calls, it's quite easy to make 20 calls a day. And 20 calls a day, while 20 doesn't sound like a vast number of phone calls to be making, it's hard to do that consistently. And it's the consistency that we're after here, hence the template sheet that's been developed for you. It's a very telltale type of sheet that when you're writing a name in a box of someone that you've spoken to, and we mean a human that you've spoken to, not an answering machine, you must have an interactive conversation here. To make 20 calls in a day is a tall ask, but not an unachievable ask. So use that template, print it out now, and that should become one of the cornerstones by which you live. There are some interesting spin-offs from this template that we'll talk about later on, but in the meantime we invite you to get into the habit of using the template and writing down the names of the people that you speak to on the template there. Now, this interfaces with your database. The template of itself is not the complete answer. Of course, you need to put the results of those calls and notes around those results into your database. But in the meantime, the template is something that sits on your desk and haunts you every day to complete those 20 calls and gives you satisfaction when you have made them. So this is a habit that the successful agents are in, and we invite you to make it a habit by starting with that template now and using it consistently over the next few weeks until it does become part of the habit of your daily life. We'll talk again soon.